How to get your WhatsApp link and share it. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to get WhatsApp link and share it. So without further ado, let's begin. Launch WhatsApp. Navigate to three dots at top right. Tap on settings. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and select invite a friend. Here you will see the option of share link at top of your screen. Tap share link and choose your friend or any platform. But before that, here you can easily see the copy icon. Select copy and your link will be copied on your clipboard. Now tap on the message bar at bottom of your screen and you simply need to paste the link of your WhatsApp and share it to your friends. Now with this link, they can easily get joined on your WhatsApp and be friends on WhatsApp. So in this way, you can successfully get your WhatsApp link. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.